So, welcome to Shitty Cooking once again, this time with a whole bunch of new stuff. And by new, I mean it's all wireless, like there's no wires, except for the wires to plug things in to charge. And when I say wireless, I really do mean, it's fully wireless now, so there may be some hiccups. I really do mean wireless. I'm wireless with my mic, the camera is wireless, all three of them, and we can always add more if we want to. So things are looking good. It's all internet-based, so as long as I have good enough internet, then I guess we're banging here. So what are we making today? We're making the worst foods I could possibly find. I'm not gonna lie, I'm a little worried. We saw some cursed foods on TikTok. We have never really tried to make shitty food on Shitty Cooking. The shitty part comes from my cooking ability. So we're gonna try to make potato chip omelet, but in the bag. Saw that a couple weeks ago. We're gonna make macaroni and cheese, flaming hot Cheeto version. Everybody's seen that. I don't know how good that's gonna turn out, but we're gonna give it a shot. And then, just this morning, that like awful rage bait chef place, Chefly, I don't even want to give them promotion, but they're kind of funny, right? Found a recipe on there for an inside-out hamburger. So I don't really know what that entails. I didn't look too much into it. I actually didn't even watch the video of it being made. I just looked at the recipe and I was like, okay, this sounds pretty bad. So that's what we're making today. Let's get started. Let's get into it. So what am I gonna need to do? I'm gonna need to prep some shit. All right, let's get our shit used. Look at the production value. It's second to none. Get a little DJ action going. Will you guys cook your stovetop bacon on medium high? I'm crowding this shit. All right, guys. Listen. This is a post-COVID. This is a pre-COVID Vegas pool party of bacon. Everybody get to know each other, mixing your juices together in the pool, make it smell like sunscreen, watered down vodka, and this guy named Khalid who put on way too much cologne. This bacon shape is odd, I'm gonna say. These were strips, right? What the fuck? Hey, what's going on here? In the meantime, while that's sizzling away, let me look at what I could be doing. I could just be cutting things up. There is so much going on. Let's try this piece. You know, pretty good. This has to be the least visually appealing bacon I've ever made. You know? It's great, it tastes good, but like sometimes you just gotta be like, presentation F. So they open the bag and they crush the shit out of it. All right, I can do that. POV, you're on Discord with your friends. All right, guys, are you guys ready to queue for Valorant or? All right, so what's going in here? I've elected to add to this recipe. We're going to, oh fuck, I had a bell pepper already. Where's my other one though? Wait, where's my tomato? Wait, what the fuck? Where's my shit? Am I blind? How do you misplace a tomato? Oh, there's a whole bag of fucking groceries still over here. How dumb can you be? What's in here that I just ruined? Because it's been sitting out for 4 hours. Oh no, it's fine. It's just the eggs. That's probably okay. Very excited. New knife. Got it at the recommendation of Chef Andy Lunique. I trust everything he said. It was pretty affordable. I think it was sub 70 bucks. Also, I need to go get my actual, my other knives, my Dalstrong and shit, touched up. Ow, I just cut myself. This knife is sharp, huh? How does that even bleed? It literally is like, it's like somebody pricked me with a needle. I like you, you're a fighter. I like that in my knives. I like it when my knives fight back. Yay. Dude, this one simple trick changed my onion cutting life. It really did though. I used to hate cutting onions. Now I look forward to it. Look how cool it looks and how even those dices are. I just don't think that's enough egg. There's a lot of shit in here. Is it really 12 eggs per? No shot. I'm putting them all in. Not really. Yeah, I am. I'm putting them all in. I don't even want to come here. I'm not done with you yet. All right. We've got, you know, there's something in there. While things are heating up, it's time for us to make our slightly less offensive, but still equally fucked up, flaming hot mac and cheese. Make pasta in a Dutch oven? Yeah, well, give her a go. Why not? It's just gonna be wide, yeah? Yeah, it's a fucking pot. Yeah, it is what it is. It's going to be okay. This is almost boiling, but it's not quite there. It's being a little coy, as you guys can see here. Oh, the humanity. Oh my God, it floats. All right, cool. Well, I'm gonna eat it. What can I do in the meantime? How long does this go on for? They put the bags in. Oh fuck, I don't wanna, it says 15 fucking minutes? Are you sucking dick? No shot. All right, everything's fucked. I mean, it's not fucked, I just don't wanna hold it here. iPhone cable, through the hole in the bag, tie it to the microwave. Huh? Huh? Oh my God, I need an adult in my life so badly, and it's not gonna be me. Okay, let me get blocks of cheese. Oh, I did buy a little bit, so we should be okay. I think this will be enough. And as customary, if you are living alone, you got break in your cheese. Are you still chilling back there? How much time's left? 3:17 would be 15 after. Whoa, hey, settle down. Huh? Okay. Pasta's done. How do you make mac and cheese? You strain it, right? Oh, that's why I should have swapped these. I don't have a strainer for that. Okay. Let's do it the hard way. Okay, there you go. Ow, I just dropped boiling water on my shoe, which is why I wear shoes, because it only hurts a little bit. So this should be done now, but it's still liquidy, guys, so I'm gonna keep cooking it. All right, how do I make mac and cheese? You just pour milk in there, right? Oh, and butter, I do need butter. I'm just gonna pour milk in. I'm gonna just put cheese in, like this. And I'm gonna just put this in. And then I'm gonna put like half of butter in. I think I should just serve it as is. Medium low. I'm taking this out. Oh my God, it's so heavy. Are you fucking joking? Oh my God, this is like 3 to 4 pounds of food. I'm not sure what we're going to expect, so let's, oh no. You know what, I'm gonna just stop us right here and put it back in the water. Ladies and gentlemen, I give to you well, here you see, sir, we're gonna give you a nice cross section here. I'm gonna just open this up, and as you can see, this is literally inedible. All right, so the egg, okay, hold on. I feel like I should explain. The egg is clearly cooked through, right? Like this omelet portion is omelette-y, right? Like this is fine. However, the sea of potato chip fucking filling, what I say, it might alarm you, but it doesn't taste bad. Like, obviously it's awful, okay? Right? We're doing this on a scale of 1 to 10. This is a 2.5. But the egg was steamed. Like, what do you want from me? It's a fucking egg, steamed egg. This is a soup, a mistake that nobody could rectify because the egg is cooked. If you see the exterior egg, this part, this is cooked egg, right? It's the chips, which obviously I said from the fucking beginning, oh, I forgot to put bacon in here. There's nothing worse than what I just put in my mouth. It's just fucking soggy bacon. Okay, what should I just fucking pour the... Out of all the things that could have happened, this might be the most okay. What do I do? Throw it on broil for a little bit? I think I should toss it. Otherwise, I'm just cooking Cheetos, right? It just smells like a fucking truck stop. Oh my God, it looks like Pepto-Bismol, which is probably what I'm gonna need after I eat this shit. Take it in, soak it in. Soak it in. I don't think it looks as pink as you think it does. I mean, how do I put this? There's no reason for you to ever do this. You don't need to do this. You shouldn't do this. You can barely even taste it being spicy, but like there's definitely hot Cheeto in there. It's a 4 out of 10, it's a 3 out of 10. I would never make this again. If there is something that you want to make spicy, just fucking make it hot with hot sauce. Salt, pepper, cheese, onion, flour, baking powder. All right, they mix this all together. Okay, they form a patty. That is too big of a patty. Wait, what are you guys doing? Wait, what the fuck? Oh my God. I'm telling you, this is what the recipe is doing. It calls for you to roll the beef out. Just look, guys, carpaccio. It's just carpaccio. Hey, forget about it. So what they do is and this is not a prank. This is what the video recipe calls for. And then what they're doing is they literally are doing this. And I shit you not, stacking these fuckers. So it's dipping hand into there, flour hand. Should I double coat it? Don't double coat, add some oh, that's what you meant by season it. Add paprika, flour and stuff. Here's some paprika, a little onion powder in there. Onion powder to onions, huh? You know, I didn't think about that. This is the same thing that I'm gonna use though for the, this is the same thing that I'm gonna use for the burger, but yeah, I didn't even think about that shit. So what I'm gonna do is I'm going to do the same thing I did with the onion rings with the meat, if I can. I should have put this concoction right now that I'm putting, like the beef and shit, I should have put this in the fridge to firm it up a bit. Okay, so now make a batter, I guess. I don't care. Yeah, who gives a shit? You know what I'm saying? Who gives a shit? Mankind grew and grew and grew. Not because mankind asked why should we use fire, but because mankind used fire and then asked the question how should we use it. As such, mankind must look at a reverse hamburger coated in panko and say, this is worth it. Sir, stop crowding. Ow, you dumb fuck, it splashed you, but it's okay. Oh my God. Oh fuck, guys, this is really, this is fucking awful. It's almost burnt. All right, here we go. We're gonna have to do something crazy. This is our beef bun, a little heart of romaine. So we've got that. Let's put a little tomto in here because I don't like tomto that much. Let's get ourselves a little, get ourselves the little pickle. And then, this is where we go. We hit them with the Chick-fil-A sauce. Okay. And now, wow, this ray of light, this sunlight, this fucking, what is this anime shot? Please don't suck, please don't suck, please don't suck, please don't suck. Hold on, this light is actually fucked up. This looks awful. It's a medium rare burger. Wow, I'm so full. Man. All right, we ate a lot today. Wow, we ate a lot today. I gotta say, guys, this has been a learning experience for me and for all of us together. What did we learn today? I'll be the first. I'll start and you guys can follow up. What you see online when shot by a professional studio is largely not good. I would like to avoid doing this ever again. And let me tell you, this is stunt food. But